Hi friends, today I'm going to be showing you two different ways of using peri sauce to make something delicious. Specifically some vegetables and some fish. So to start with the fish, we're going to take some tilapia and we're going to dip it in the peri sauce. And we're going to bake on 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 25 to 30 minutes and then flip halfway. Now for the vegetables, we're going to take some cauliflower, some radish, some carrot, some bell pepper, some celery, some green chili, some cabbage. Now we're going to chop all of them up and put them in a skillet except for the cabbage. Then we're going to add some oil, 1 tablespoon of vinegar, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, some black pepper and some salt. Now we're going to add the cabbage. Then we're going to add 1 tablespoon of peri sauce. Or you can do whatever amount you want depending on how much you can take. It is very spicy. And we're going to add some tomatoes, onions, and then cilantro or parsley. And then cover the lid for 2 minutes. And voila, it should be ready. Remember, if you enjoyed, be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and tell me how it went.